Hi, do you want to talk about family members in Chinese? Do you want not only to learn, but also to practice speaking? If yes, this video is for you. In this video, we will look at some related vocabulary, sentence structures, and practice speaking. Let's look at the vocabulary.
家人，家人，家人，兄弟姐妹，兄弟姐妹，兄弟姐妹，哥哥，哥哥，哥哥，弟弟，弟弟，弟弟，姐姐，姐姐，姐姐，妹妹，妹妹，妹妹。
Let's look at some sentence structures. 你有兄弟姐妹吗？你 means you. 有 means have. To have. 兄弟姐妹 means brothers and sisters. Ma, we use ma to form a question. 你有兄弟姐妹吗？ Do you have brothers and sisters? Another sentence structure. 我有 means I have. 有 is the verb have. 我 means I. 我有一个哥哥。一个 means one. 一 means one. 个 is a measure word. To count, we use 个 as a measure word to count. There's no translation for it. 哥哥 means elder brother. 我有一个哥哥。Another example. 我有两个弟弟。两个 means two. 弟弟 means younger brothers. 我有两个弟弟。Another example. 我有三个姐姐。三个 means three. 姐姐 means elder sisters. 我有三个姐姐。我有四个妹妹。四个 means four. 妹妹 means younger sisters. 我有四个妹妹。Another sentence structure. 我有和。和 means and. For example, 我有一个姐姐和两个弟弟。我有一个姐姐和两个弟弟。I have one elder sister and two younger brothers. Do you remember the vocabulary and the sentence structures? It's time for the practice. How do you say, do you have brothers and sisters in Chinese? Do you know the answer? 你有兄弟姐妹吗？你有兄弟姐妹吗？ Could you say it out loud, please? 你有兄弟姐妹吗？ How do you say, I have two elder brothers in Chinese? 我有两个哥哥。我有两个哥哥。Repeat out loud, please. 我有两个哥哥。What about this sentence? How do you say younger brother in Chinese? 弟弟。 我有一个弟弟。Please say it out loud, please. 我有一个弟弟。I have 4 elder sisters. How do we say this in Chinese? Do you have the answer? 我有4个姐姐。我有4个姐姐。Please say it out loud. 我有4个姐姐。I have 3 younger sisters. How do we say that in Chinese? 我有3个妹妹。我有3个妹妹。What about this sentence? I have 1 elder brother and 2 younger sisters. Do you have the answer? 我有1个哥哥和2个妹妹。我有1个哥哥和2个妹妹。I hope you enjoy watching. Please leave me your comments below and let me know the topics you like. I can make more videos related to your interests. See you in the next one. Bye.